property. We bought it at $210. Based on our analysis, we felt that it was $315,000. We financed 100% of the purchase on this particular one because the numbers were so good. Okay, so again, we're at 66% of the fair market value, after fair value. Our budget was $26,750 for the rehab. We had a carrying cost of $8,900, which, when I say carrying cost, we're talking any debt service, taxes, insurance, and any other expenses associated. There's a lot of costs that people don't think about. When we're in California and we're putting $30,000 on a house and we have granite, everything looks beautiful, we have an alarm. And we think that's crucial. And so that's another expense that we take on for a property like this. There's other expenses. That's what the carrying costs represent. You guys with me? All right. So, bought it at $210 after closing costs plus the rehab and carrying costs. We're in the deal $259,750. That's what we're in, all costs. Now we call 100% of the actual project cost. All right. This is what the house will look like afterwards. All right.
You supplied the down payment on that one yourself with 100% financing, or that?
We did 100% on that one, yeah, because the numbers were so solid.
Okay.
So again, notice how we paid the commission, 5, we do 1.5 for this. This was on the resale. Net was $30,000, 25% of the split. That means the investor made a 15% return on his money on that flip. Is that a good day in the office?
Yep. Did it happen in 90 days?
This one actually was 140
Okay.
total. But still, 140.
That's great, yeah. You do it twice.
And the reason I'm saying that is because sometimes the contract for financing takes a little longer. That will be the only time really that it goes a little bit longer. So that's a great return. All right, here's another one. This one was a unique project because this was caught on in the evolution time that I was telling you about, where the price points that we were dealing with at the time were going higher because we're having to buy properties lower to rehab more. So this is a perfect example. We bought it 172, 35,000 rehab, covered the debt service and all the carrying costs. All right, so carrying costs 6,625. Literally, this one closed like a week and a half ago. We were on the market a total of 121 days from buy all the way to the flip. Okay, so check this one out. This is the property when we bought it. Notice the difference. It is a beautiful house. I would love to live in. In fact, Kaylee can go in this room right here. Yeah, right. Now this is affordable, 172 of it. This is very low price. Now, take a look at this. This is another tool. I'm going to start slowly introducing you to some of the tools we use. This is an actually proprietary software that we've developed with our contacts in the office to analyze properties. These are the numbers, right? We're showing it at 172. We're thinking the retail value is 258 based on our analysis of this property. We have active listings, closings, everything else where our comparables are. We also, remember how Stu said you need to know what average days on the market are? We go one step further when we analyze properties. We want to get a picture for the last 12 months, within 6 months, and within 3 months. The reason why we want to do that is we want to get a real picture of whether this is an increasing market or whether it's a declining market. So you have to go a little further sometimes to understand the marketplace. In here, this gives you a very good visual, and you'll notice that within 12 months, it was 111 days on the market. Within the last 4 to 6 months, it was 111, so we're still pretty much the same. In the last 3 months, 73. So what is that showing you? There's a trend, right? You can also see it here. Red here represents the available listings on the marketplace. Blue represents closings. 7 to 12 months, 4 to 6 months. Look at the inventory spike versus closings. But nonetheless, the closings are pretty decent. And now all of a sudden, within the last 3 months, the activity is catching up to the inventory. That's a very good sign. You guys with me? See how this is a business. This is no joke. This is people's money. We're playing with